In this little video, I will show you how to process your orders in two separate ways depending on your workflows. So it's very common to either process your orders by marketplace, so all the Shopee orders first, and then the Lazada orders first, and the second, and then the Q10 orders. If you're managing several brands, you might have 3 or 4 brands on each marketplace, and your workflow might be to process each brand or to process brand by brand rather than marketplace by marketplace. And so OneCart supports both workflow methods. So let's go through this together. Under process orders, arrange shipping. In the first case, if you wanted to process marketplace by marketplace, that would be the default in OneCart. You can simply toggle between each of these tabs, and you would be able to see your pending orders all stacked up, irrespective of brand, underneath each of these tabs. Now, if you wanted to process brand by brand, what you can do is select the marketplace you want to process. Under all shops, you can come here and select the brand that you want to process first. So in this case, let's say I wanted to process this one. Come here, click on filter. OneCart will pull up the orders only for this particular brand. Of course, this is a demo account. There are no real orders. But once they're pulled up, you can then go ahead and bulk select and go about your bulk actions and so on.